Ladies and gentlemen, please imagine for a moment of the worst car crash that you have ever seen or heard about. Please imagine too about the skid mark, the smoke, and the glass that has been thrown about the highway. Not to forget the screams of the victims and perhaps a little bit of blood. Not far away, you will hear there is a siren approaching as it responds to the accident. Bystanders are trying to help. A moment later, you heard there are fatalities involved: a mother or a father and a child. Now ask yourself whether was that test worth it. This is a controversial problem in Malaysia. It is called as texting while driving. The director of Bukit Aman Traffic Investigation and Enforcement Department, Datuk Muhammad Akhil Darus, mentioned that this case is one of the 6 main reasons of Malaysia car accident in 2017. Yet today, in the year of 2020, it is still a major problem among us. Now, it is not new to the world that everybody has a cell phone, isn't it? Obviously, it brings us benefits such as it helps us to communicate with our families and friends more easily. However, the problem arises whenever we receive a phone call or a text and we would like to answer those things immediately without any consideration on what we are doing at that time. Are we driving or not? Personally, I have done this kind of bad attitude, but it was. At the time, I was lucky and nothing happened to me other than me sliding off the road. Now, I changed as I noticed there are more dangers than benefits. So today, I would like to persuade all of you to stop using your phone to text while you are driving, simply because it is a bad habit to keep. Having a slower reaction time and led to higher insurance rates. Let's get started with text and drive is a bad habit for everyone to keep. According to distraction.gov, text and drive creates 23 times more likely for a driver to have a car crash compared to non-distracted drivers. Experts believe that we compulsively take a look on our cell phone simply because whenever we receive an alert on our cell phone, our brain sends out a signal or a symptom that makes us happy. At the same time, we personally do not want to miss out anything while we are driving, isn't it? So as we would like to stay connected even though we are driving at that time, it becoming a bad habit for us indirectly. Now, drivers should be aware about the dangers and keep their focus on the road, not on their cell phone and any other mobile devices. It is called as public awareness. However, even though we are aware of that thing, we still do oppositely. Personally, I think we should stop thinking that we can do multitask because in reality we are not, and do not trust our gut because it may have a wrong sense of our safety and we might not feel anything whenever we behaving reckless. So it is time for us to stop this bad habit. Next, text and drive creates step and drive will lead to drivers' reaction time become slower. Driver's reaction time refers to the time length of a driver response to a given stimulus or event. Before I explain furthermore, I would like to emphasize some statistical data and research on this case. So there is a study by Transport Research Laboratory where they found out that undistracted drivers can respond in 1 second, but these drivers can delay their reaction time by 37% if they do text and drive. In fact, surprisingly, these drivers react more slower compared to drivers who are high on cannabis, which is only 21%. And there's another study mentioned that if we answer it a test, then it is totally enough for us to travel the length of football field, as texting takes away our attention for 5 seconds. And at the same time, there is another study by two researchers where they study about the limited attention to driving impairment in 2001. At that time, text and drive has not been evaded yet to the public sphere, but they found out that in any drivers in any kind of situation of drivers participate or involved in any kind of conversation, then driver's attention will drawn away for drawn away from the visual scene, even though those driver does not have any actual visual disorder. It is simply to say that even though we are staring on the road, but we don't perceive it as it should be. So I would like to ask all of you to think text and drive is just like any other bad addiction, where if you not quit now, then you may put your life and others' life at a risky level. Next, text and drive will lead to a higher insurance rate. Now, if we cause an accident due to our bad or dangerous behavior, then we might face an increment of insurance rates, which later will affect our financial problem. And we may breathe a sigh of relief if we do not participate in text and drive indirectly. But we still impacted due to others' bad behavior. And right now, there are more insurance companies, track down the drivers' phone usage. There is a study by True Motion where among 18,000 drivers that they study, this driver will spend their time around 20% in each drive in order to use their cell phone. And even worse, it is including scrolling social media. Surprisingly, distracted drivers who are the one who blame around for increment of insurance rates. And since 2011, this rate has been risen up to 20%. Even though there are many factors to be considered by insurance company in order to set up any kind of premium rates, and distracted drivers is not the only reason, but it doesn't make anything to become better too. So I personally thinking that texting while driving should not be one of the reason of the distracted. It's not one of the reason for increment of the insurance rate, because it is a habit that we can change. So be wise while you are driving. So that's all three reasons why we should not text and drive at the same time, and simply because it is a bad habit for everyone to keep. It is having slower reaction time and led to higher insurance rates. So again, be wise while you are driving, and always eyes up, phone off, in order to save life. Perhaps you may make a difference to the world. That's all from me. Thank you very much.